Secrets of Real Estate. So, I wanted to tell you guys a story.
Story time.
Yeah. I like stories. I don't know if you guys took the course yet, but I love to tell stories.
Yes.
So,
She talks a lot.
when I first started real estate, me and my husband, it was a young couple, we were very young, and we decided to purchase a duplex. And
Which that was my daddy.
her daddy.
That is my daddy.
Yes.
That's my dad.
Yeah. So was. She said was.
Right.
Anyway, we purchased a duplex, and the duplex was $75,000, and this was in the recession. Yeah, we had a recession back in the day, and it was $75,000. We rented it out. We collected rent off of it every month, and 5 years later, guys, guess what happened? That duplex that we bought for $75,000 was now worth $500,000. Yes. So now I knew that I was on the right track, and real estate is what I really wanted to do. So, guys, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
And sign up for our real estate investing course that we have on secretsofrealestate.net. And I also have the link down in the description box, so you can just click on that link to sign up for our real estate investing property course.
Yep, elevate your mind, guys.
Yes.
Take it to another level.
Alright guys, so if you guys want us to record any videos about real estate advice, just let us know, comment below. We are here to help you on your real estate journey. Alright guys.
Bye.